You can improve pelvic floor functions with a simple breathing exercise. So now my hands represent the diaphragm, which flattens when you inhale and it moves upward when you exhale. Inhale and then exhale. And the pelvic floor looks similar to the diaphragm, except it moves upward when it contracts and it moves downward when it relaxes. You can coordinate your breathing with the pelvic floor contractions. When you inhale, you relax the pelvic floor muscles, and when you exhale, you contract the pelvic floor muscles by thinking about keeping yourself from passing the gas. So coordinate the diaphragm and the pelvic floor muscles while you're breathing several times. Oftentimes, the contraction and activation of the pelvic floor muscles are really emphasized, while relaxing or being able to turn off the pelvic floor muscles are not often talked about. I think this exercise helps you to have a better control of the pelvic floor muscles, which could be really beneficial. So give it a try.